Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick 5 dumbbell workout that you need, full body. Today, we'll target your entire body with just a pair of dumbbells. Grab your weights, clear some space, and let's get started. 1. Dumbbell Goblet Squat. We're starting strong with the goblet squat. Hold one dumbbell at your chest, feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat, keeping your chest up and knees aligned. Push through your heels to stand back up. Let's go for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. 2. Dumbbell Shoulder Press. Next, we've got the shoulder press. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height. Press them up above your head, then lower them back down. Stay controlled and steady. Let's go for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. 3. Dumbbell Bent Over Rows. Time to work your back with bent over rows. Hinge forward at your hips, dumbbells hanging down. Pull the weights toward your waist, squeezing your shoulder blades. Let's go for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. 4. Dumbbell Deadlifts. Now for dumbbell deadlifts. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your thighs. Lower the dumbbells along your legs, keeping your back straight. Stand up by driving through your heels. Let's go for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. 5. Dumbbell Bicep Curls. Last move, bicep curls. Stand tall with a dumbbell in each hand, palms forward. Curl the weights up to your shoulders, then lower them down slowly. Let's go for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. Awesome job, everyone. You just crushed a full body workout in 5 minutes. Repeat this circuit for an extra challenge, and don't forget to cool down. Hit like and subscribe for more quick workouts. See you next time.